Blue moon, you saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for.
Hello everyone, welcome to 43684 Southerland Way in Fremont, in Mission, San Jose, Cameron Hills. We have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,388 square foot property on a 6280 square foot lot. Come on in. Beautifully remodeled kitchen with high glossy finished cabinets, quartz countertops, and black stainless steel appliances. This property features the perfect blend between indoor and outdoor living. This primary suite is endless. We have the beautiful primary bathroom, flows right into the walk-in closet, and then we have the bedroom right here, right behind it. So absolutely endless space for you. What a beautiful, serene view. You can put your kids in the best Mission schools. We have Mission Valley Elementary, Hopkins Middle, and Mission San Jose High School. Come on by 43684 Southerland Way in Fremont. I'm Alan Wang. Give me a call, 408-313-4352, and swing on by.